Hi, this is Brian Grancy from Kazukiyan Official. So for today's video, I'm going to give you a tutorial on how you can create this customized QR code for your brand. So this is for free version, so you don't need to worry about this one. And you can, by the way, when users are going to scan this QR code, you can see the analytics and how many users are scanning your QR code. So let's get started.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head.
So first things first, you need to go to me-qr.com. So we'll use this one, and then you can sign up using your Gmail account, Google account. Once you have logged in, you will see this something like this. Go to home page, and then we'll just use this one here. So if you want to redirect the users to your specific website, you can use this URL link, or if you want to make the users show, or if you want to show the PDF that they can download or view the PDF, you can, or image, text, so on and so forth. So this account is free, so they have premium version. So for premium version, you can get or create QR codes for 1 million. This is for 8.25 per month. But for free version, you can create 10,000 QR code, which I think is pretty good for free version. You can do scanning QR codes, lifetime QR codes, trackable QR codes. You can track how many users are scanning your QR codes. So as you can see, but the file storage is only 100 MB. Okay, so if you are uploading a PDF, so make sure that it is less than 100 MB. More than that, you need to upgrade. So that's that. Now, so let's just use this URL. So I want to redirect my users to this domain, or let's say, how about this one? Say this blog post. I will copy this one. So let's say you are planning to launch a campaign and you wanted users to scan your QR code. You can use it here. Just click this one, then you will redirect it to this page. Now you can paste the link, okay, and then rename this one as passport or something. Then you can leave this as optional, or you can select a specific category. Now let's click customize, and then this is now your QR code. So when users are going to scan this one, the users will be redirected to this blog post. Okay, so in your case, if you have any campaign or affiliate or something, then they are going to be redirected using this QR code that is generated by MeQR. So you can customize this one, by the way. You can use any frames here, something like this, that. So any event like this one, that one. Okay, you can customize this one, like say scan me, and then edit the text color, so like that. Or we just need to use the default, which is the default frames. So let's say we have to view more frames, and you can see there's a bunch of frames that you can use. This is free, so no worries about that one. Then scroll down, you can choose any of this frame for free. Okay, so I want this one, symbol, so we'll choose that one, apply. Then you have here. Now I want to insert my logo here, which is similar to this one. So what you're going to do is you need to scroll down. By the way, you can change the background, the frame color, or say you want it by default white. You can change the frame color so red or something, so I want purple. Seems fine to me. And you can change the body patterns like this one. Okay, but I like this one. Okay, now for the custom logo, you can upload your logo or select any icon available here. So if you are running campaign for Facebook, or if you want to upload your logo, just select it here. I will select my logo here. Okay, so as you can see here, the logo is now displayed. So if you can adjust the logo size, depends on your preference, but I will prepare this big logo. Now we can now save the QR code, so you can choose SPG or PNG. So in my case I want the PNG, so download the QR code, and then you can also, so I am downloading my QR code, so you can save this logo as template, view the analytics, embed the QR to your website, and so on. So there's so many things to do in this website, which is really cool. So we'll go to my QR codes. Now you can see I have two QR codes. So as you can see here, this is Kazuken website, but this is what we are recently created. So we'll just click the statistics. Okay, so by default you see all QR codes, so I want to see the analytics of my campaign, which is passport QR. So this is the blog post. Okay, then apply filter. As you can see, it is currently 0 scans. You can see total scans, unique devices, total users per week or per day, and so on. So this is very powerful tool because you know, or you can track the users, or where is the, or where the users located, say what operating system they're using, device, countries, and so on and so forth. You can also export it to CSV. So I will test the QR code now. So first, before we do that, we need to change this one and upload my new QR code, which is this one, and we'll put it here. So as you can see, just this size. Okay, just like that. I'll put it here, there. Okay, so I have now my customized. So once I scan this one on my phone, it will redirect me to this page, which is I copied and edit on my QR code. So I will scan now. As you can see, remember that we don't have any total scans, so we'll try to scan this one using my phone. So I am using my phone now, and then scan, and it should, yeah, it's redirected on my end. You can test it if you want, and then we'll see here that still no total scan. But when you refresh this one, okay, now all QR codes is 2, but when we select the passport QR, which is we created recently, then apply filters, now I am pretty sure that we have 1 total scans. Okay, so this is what we have. Okay, so this is very nice tools. So for running your campaign, you can use this one. You will know where's the location of the users, and so on and so forth. So hope this video helps, and if you have any question regarding these tools, just leave a comment below, and thanks for watching.